In this video, we'll be looking at the left formula in Excel. The left formula allows you to extract a specific number of characters from the beginning of a cell. This is incredibly useful when working with names, IDs, product codes, or any situation where important information appears at the beginning of a piece of text. Let's jump in and see how it works. In the example, we have a list of user IDs that's conveniently split into location, then name, then ID number. In this cell, I'll start typing our left formula, and you can see how this formula is built out. Firstly, we have to reference the cell that contains the data we want to examine. Then, after a comma, we tell Excel how many characters we want to return. Let's pull the location for each user into this column. I'll continue the formula by specifying A2 as our cell reference, and then, as all the locations are three-letter codes, after the comma, I'll specify 3 as the number of characters to return. Now, I'll drag that down and you can see that the three-letter location is referenced for each row. And that's it for the left function. It extracts characters from the beginning of a text string. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it and subscribing to the channel for more Excel tutorials.